Ladies and gentlemen, good morning and welcome on GNANGSTUDIO for the under this video. You can subscribe on my YouTube channel for the next video. Already, let's go to see something I have a surprise to do today for you. Follow me. Follow me. Okay, welcome. Yeah. Look at this. What is this? This is a USB 2.0 4 ports. Look at. What a shock. 1, 2, 3, and 4 here. Yeah. And this is a USB that I want to use to test this. And what is this? This is a USB OTG. USB OTG today. You can buy this for your PC and your Mac. Okay, let's go to the test. Connect to your PC. Okay, connect to your PC. Nothing in the screen is normal. Let me to choose something to go on desktop to test this. Okay, look at here. Let me show you nothing. Okay, nothing from here. Okay, now take this USB to connect now to this USB and look at here now to see 1, 2, 3. Look at here. Thank you. Have you seen this? Up here, beautiful. Is connected. Is connected. Wow, connected. Beautiful. Second, change. 1, 2, 3, change. Beautiful. Again. Thank you. Connected also. Beautiful. We continue. Same. Beautiful. Thank you. Have you seen this? It's so beautiful. Yeah. You can use this, okay, to increase your USB ports. Okay. It's the same with this. This is card readers plus hub. I recommend you to buy this, okay? But the price is great than this. Okay. Thank you. Now, this is a USB OTG. A USB OTG that I have bought for my Samsung Galaxy J7 Prime. Look at. Wow. Let me do zoom. Wow. Okay. Let me to connect to this to test with my Samsung Galaxy Note 3 right now. Okay, I'm ready. I'm ready for that. Now, do this. Take this. Put here. Thank you. Look at, beautiful. Let me to take my phone. Are you ready? Look at. This is my phone. This is my Samsung Galaxy Note 3. Look at this. It's so beautiful. What do you think? Say to me that is so beautiful today. Say to me, why is so beautiful? Look at. Yeah, it's so nice and so beautiful. Look at this. Okay, now let's go to test this USB OTG. Look at this. Look at this. Beautiful. Do this. It's connected. Let's go to see. Yeah. Yeah. And and nothing here. Okay, it's not connected because the protect case block. Okay, do this. Look at here. Look at. Connect now. Thank you. Wait a few seconds. Go back. Let's go to see. Okay, nothing. Do the same action. Again. Connect. Nothing again. You can appear. Why? Is it a problem with this USB OTG? Let's go to test another USB OTG right now. Wait a few seconds. Let me to see. Okay, wait a few seconds again. Wait few seconds. Okay. This is another USB OTG. Look at. Beautiful. 2 USB OTG for you today. Look at this. Okay, now let's go to the test. Put this here. Look at the light. Thank you. Let's go. Look at this. Okay, now look at here. You can see USB storage. Let me to zoom. Beautiful. Open. And you can access directly to your USB OTG. Okay, close. But what is the problem with this? Where is the problem? Try again. Nothing. Nothing also. Okay, let me to try another thing. For you. Try another thing. Okay, connect here and do this. Look at dual USB OTG. What a shock. Connect it. Look at this. Wow. Wow. What is this? Look at this. Okay. Let's go to test. Connect. Not now. The light is here. And it's appear here. Oh, please. Disconnect. I want to test this small USB OTG. Okay? Retry the same action. Go back. Okay? Do this. Nothing. Oh, no. Look at. It's appear. Look at here. It's appear here. Okay. Thank you. Okay, we try the same action with this USB. Let's go. Let's go. Thank you. Wait a few seconds. Nothing. Okay, nothing. Let me to copy into a field into this USB right now. Let me to do this. Connect here. Okay. And let me to copy something into from my computer right now. Let me to take something. Okay. If picture is done. Take this. Connect here to this USB OTG. And now retry the same action. Okay. The problem here is that this USB OTG is in NFC. The format of this USB OTG is the problem. Okay, is the problem. Okay, is the one what is not good. But when I use this USB, look at the first USB adapter is fake. Let me try something. It's fake, but let me try something. Thank you. Let's go to see. Let's go to C. Connect again. It's not finished. Nothing here. This USB is fake. Try again to see if there are other. Thank you. Try another thing, another micro SD. Okay. Also fake. Wow. Okay. What do I see? I connect two USB OTG. This is USB OTG double enter. Okay. This is a simple USB OTG. But when I connect this USB OTG double enter with this, as you see, it appears. Wait a few seconds. Because the format of this USB OTG is in FAT32. Look at, you can access to your fields directly here. Okay, I hope so that this video that had helped you. If you like this video, like this video and subscribe on my YouTube channel under this video for the next video. Let's go now to the next video right now. Look at this. I have bought all of this for my YouTube channel to become a good YouTuber or a good informatician. Look at this. Wow. What is this? Wow. Look at. What a shock. Look at this. All of this. Yeah. Wow. What a shock. Look at this. Where is the best? Where is the best? This is fake. 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 Good. Good. Fake. Good. Good. Adapter. Good. Fake. All of this is fake. What a shock. All of this is fake. Yeah. Look at. What a shock. Wow, what a shock. What a shock. Look at this. Wow. Okay, thank you for watching and let's go now to the next video. You can disconnect now your USB and we go. Yes, we go. Thank you for watching. Yes, see you later. Let's go. Beautiful. Subscribe today for the next video. Let's go.